So in this video we are going to make a mystery box. So let's see how I made this mystery box. So at first I got this DXF vector file from the internet. You will get it from the description. Then given the command to the CNC laser cutting machine, and rest of the work has been done by the laser cutting machine. Now comes the assembly part. So this bigger part will be the base. It has some carbon depositors, so anyways we can clean it. And then the side blocks. Just follow how I place the things. It needed to be glued to its place to get the proper bonding. These gear parts are a bit tricky because it needed to be placed accurately or else it will not work. It needed to be straight up, like 90 degrees. It should form the 90 degrees from the base. Since I have stripped both the gears, it becomes a bit difficult to place it onto the holders. But for the second part, I have removed one of the gear so that it becomes easy to place. Now I will stick it additionally. See, now we can stick it, but we have to be careful not to stick the not to stick it with the other parts. Okay, now it seems perfect. So all we have to do is just press it gently at the bottom and it will open. See, this is how to open. It looks quite amazing the way it opens. That's it for this video. Hope you like this video and make sure to subscribe. See you in the next video.